So today I'm going to show you guys how to use TED Ed. Using TED Ed basically uses the idea of the flipped classroom, where you as a teacher would go in, you would have your students look at something, determine something on their own at home, and then they would come back to you. And when they come back to you, they would sit down and you guys would have discussions on it. So I've already logged into the website. When you log in, up here there'll be login and registration. You sign in, you can use your Facebook, you can use your email, it really doesn't matter, whatever works for you. And today I'm going to show you guys how to create a lesson based off of a lesson already. So you're going to click lessons, and over here you get to pick your content type, the student level, the video duration, and the subtitles. When you do that, I went ahead and I would go into something like design, engineering, and technology. Now, when you go into something like design, engineering, and technology, you'll have a lesson based off of something that, you want your students to learn about. So if you were teaching something like high school, you would go into something like time management. How can we effectively manage our time? You would click this, you can customize the lesson, but you can start the lesson. It would all be worth sharing. You can go through it. Whenever it's finished, you would have the think. You would go through the answers or what have you, and you would look at it based off of what's here, and you can see if they click anything. You can click Save My Answer, and that wasn't it. Now, with them, you have a video hint. You click on the video hint, and it'll show you where it's at. It'll show you where the problem is. And same thing with the next question, and the next question, on so and on forth. Then you would have your dig deeper, and in this you would have clickables. See, all the clickables. Whenever you have your clickables, they have the students go in there and find out what they mean by using these different task switching. So here you can read about what task switching actually is and why it's so important. Let's get out of here. Click the back button. After you do that, you have them discuss it. Whenever they discuss it, they can have what their biggest challenges are. You can click the view your discussion, and it'll show everybody's big thing. It'll just show it for everybody. Now, you can create your own custom lesson and share a new one based off of this if you just click customize this lesson. Now, with TED Ed, with that being said, you can go in and you can change the lesson title, you can change the introduction, and then you can also change all of the questions that you would like for them to ask or like for them to answer. Here, you can click whether you want to publish it or if you want it to remain unpublished so that you and your classroom can use it. Or you can use it for other teachers. I believe that TED Ed is actually one of the best flipped classrooms on here. There really isn't anything other than what's here. And that's about it. Have a great one.